Alright, this is what I've been waiting to do. We've got the new Crosman 362 and 22 caliber out. We're going to do some chrony testing on it, and we've got a target, fresh target set up at 15 yards downrange. We're going to try to see how accurate we can get with it. And what we're going to use is some Barracuda 21.14 grains up at the top. Next is H&N Barracuda Extreme 18.52 grain. H&N Crow Magnum 18.21 grain. Barracuda 18.13 grain. And Field Target Trophy Green 9.57. What I'm going to do with these is one shot each at 8 pumps. That's the max on the 362, is 8 pumps only. And then I'm gonna do some 368 pumps with the Vortex Strike 17.75 grain, 22, the Crosman Premier 14.3 in hollow point and dome, 13.7 Crosman dome, 11.9 grain hobby wad cutters, and some Gamma Gold Raptors. We'll throw that in there just for kicks. So I'm going to go ahead and pause you. I'm going to get the chrony turned on, and I'm going to go ahead and pump it up 10 times, and we'll start up here with the Barracudas and work our way down, and then we'll switch over to the other ones over there. I'll pause you and be right back. Okay, I kind of did it backwards. I ended up putting a 9.57 Field Target Trophy Green in first. So we'll go ahead and do one of them across the chrony, and I'm going to try to hit that target in the process. See how this goes. Okay, that was 724 feet per second with the 9.57 at 8 pumps. I'm going to pause you and go to the next pellet. Okay, we've got 8 pumps on the H&N Barracuda 18.13 grain. That was 563. I'm going to pause you again. Okay, this is going to be the H&N Crow Magnum 18.21 grain. And that was 535. 535. Going to pause you again and pump it 8 times. Okay, we got 8 pumps on the H&N Barracuda Hunter Extreme 18.52 grain. And we'll run one across the chrony. And that was 554. 554. Gonna pause you again. Okay, this is going to be a H&N Barracuda Sport 21.14 grain. 21.14 grain. And that was 525. 525. I'm going to pause you, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got 8 pumps on here, and I've got a Skanko New Boy 26.2 grain pellet loaded in there, and we'll see what it can do. We got an error. I'm gonna pause you again. Okay, we're gonna try the same pellet again, a Skanko New Boy 26.2 grain lead pellet. And we got 495. 495 out of a 26 grain lead pellet. Be right back. Okay, I just decided to go ahead and do all of the pellets at 8 pumps and get a max reading on it for this video. I may do 3-6 pumps or whatever in a different video if anybody wants to see that. But for now, this is going to be long enough, so I'm just going to make it 8 pumps each. And I've got the 17.75 grain Vortex Strike, and we'll go ahead and got 8 pumps on her. We'll go ahead and run it across. And that was 614. 614. I'm gonna pause you and pump. Okay, this is gonna be 8 pumps with the Crosman Premier Hollow Point 14.3 grain. And that's a duplicate of 614. 614. I'll be right back. Okay, we got 8 pumps, and moving on to the next pellet, we've got a 14.3 grain Crosman Premier Domed Ultra Magnum. And we got 616 out of that. 616. Be right back. Okay, we got 8 pumps, and the next pellet is a Crosman Dome 13.7 grain. And that got 632. 632. I'm on a pause and pump. Okay, we got 8 pumps, and the next pellet is a RWS Hobby Wad Cutter, 11.9 grain. And let's go ahead and run it across. Okay, we got an error on that. I'm gonna pause you and we're gonna redo that one. Okay, same pellet, 8 pumps. We'll try this again. And that was 676. 676. I'm gonna pause you again. Okay, we started out with a 9.7 Gamo Gold Raptor. We'll go ahead and do another one here. We'll end up with that. That'll be each pellet done. And then we'll talk about the rifle a little bit more, and then we'll go look at the target. That was a 655. Not quite what I expected out of the Gold Raptors. However, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and talk about something here. First, I've got a little sticker on here. It's the only sticker I've got, and if you can see that or not, that's South African air gunner Tyrone McLaren's Patreon patch as a monthly donation. You get stuff like that from him on his channel. Check it out. Also, while you're at it, check out Flat Broke Air Gunner Facebook channel and YouTube channel, and First Aid Air Gun as well. My buddy Lou at First Aid, also on Facebook. Just to finish up here, what I did was I still got the plastic breech on here, but y'all give those guys a check on their channel and check out. They've got some great stuff. They're wonderful people, and you need to watch their channels. I added the barrel mounts. I took them off of another one, put on there, and I put the 3 to 9 by 40 CV Life scope on there. And I like the scope. It doesn't have any objective on it, you know, to mess with. It's got the the magnification on there. You know, you can magnify it 3 times or 9 times or whatever. It's up close. I just leave it where it's at, but it works real good. And so I'm going to pause it and walk you over, and we'll check out the target. I haven't done any mods to this yet. It already comes with what looks like to be an extended bolt probe. I don't know if you can see that very well or not, but that's unusually long for a Crosman bolt probe. I would call that extended. Anyway, I'm gonna pause you and we're gonna go check out the target. Okay, I was aiming dead center bullseye, and that's where they all hit. Looks like that's a pretty tight group. I would say at the outside that's a 2.5 inch group, just by looking at it. I'm pretty happy with that. That's a heck of a group, because there's a wide variety of pellets used there, and all the way from ultra light to ultra heavy. So I'm pretty happy with that. It seems to be not very pellet picky at all. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I may be back with some modifications to it. I'm kind of puzzled about a few of those FPS readings, but it is what it is. All that really does is tell you which pellets it likes more, and it's kind of up to me to figure out which ones are the most accurate. So I want to thank you again for watching, and y'all check out those guys' air channels. That's Flat Broke Air Gunner, First State Air Gun, South African Air Gunner, Tyrell McLaren. Check them guys out, they got good stuff. Thanks for watching.